Campfires fade, trails grow dark, but Mosey Guard keeps the comfort alive. Designed for wilderness explorers and backyard loungers alike, this ultimate outdoor mosquito repeller brings modern defense into natural settings. At its core, MCH Ceramic Rapid Heating Technology delivers fast-acting, mosquito-repelling heat, giving you control in seconds. With a 10,000 mAh battery powering up to 20 hours of heating, Mosey Guard outlasts your longest nights under the stars. Transform your shelf into a showcase of precision. The Lumina case gives collectors the power to illuminate and tailor every inch of their display with purpose. Whether you're exhibiting prized LEGO builds, detailed miniatures, or high-end action figures, this modular case adapts to your vision, both in lighting and scale. The built-in lighting system casts a balanced glow across your collectibles, enhancing color, depth, and detail. Forget bulky towers and tangled cables. Mini Proca condenses high-performance computing into a compact, sleek powerhouse with a built-in 7-inch touchscreen. Whether you're editing video, managing spreadsheets, or jumping into high-fidelity gaming, the AMD Ryzen 96900HX CPU and ultra-fast DDR5 RAM, available in 8, 16, or 32GB configurations, deliver seamless multitasking and lightning-fast response. Restless nights steal energy from your days. Hootie changes everything. This next-gen anti-snore pillow uses bone conduction technology and real-time AI monitoring to gently guide you into quieter sleep. Designed with a fully integrated structure, Hootie doesn't just track snoring, it understands it. Inside, a dynamic airbag system adjusts the pillow's contour based on your sleeping position, subtly shifting your head to open airways without waking you. Warm summer air clings to the skin, but the WashWow electronic bath ball changes everything. Built for clean confidence, this compact powerhouse uses advanced water electrolysis to neutralize odors without harsh soap or friction. Designed with precision, it silently purifies as it soaks, leaving your skin refreshed, not stripped. Crafted from high-quality materials, the WashWow bath ball slips easily into your daily ritual. Whether you're parked deep in the desert or camped by a winding trail, this rugged shower system brings the comfort of home to the wild. Designed for off-grid simplicity, it delivers a powerful waterfall spray with a remarkable 596 square inches of coverage. Enough to rinse off thick mud, salt water, or trail dust in seconds. Activate the flow with a single tap. No fiddling, no hassle. The 5.3-gallon reservoir holds enough for up to 5 full showers, making it ideal for small groups or extended trips. From studio workshops to remote job sites, the ability to print precisely on virtually any surface is now a reality. Introducing the world's first modular inkjet printer designed to adapt to almost any material, rigid or flexible, while delivering vivid colors and crisp content. Whether you're applying an image, embedding a QR code, printing fine text, or stamping a barcode, this printer handles it all with precision. Compact yet powerful, it's engineered with modular components that swap easily. At the edge of fast data workflows, the TerraMaster D8 Hybrid takes command. Designed to balance speed and capacity, this 8-bay USB storage enclosure blends 2 NVMe SSD slots with 6 HDD bays, delivering the flexibility content creators and IT pros demand. With USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, it pushes data transfer rates up to 10 gigabits per second. Ideal for 4K editing, backups, or expanding storage with no bottlenecks. Whether you're battling a dead battery or clearing crumbs from tight corners, this powerhouse tool meets the moment. The Dustbuster X is engineered as a complete vehicle companion, integrating raw suction force, essential emergency tools, and mobile convenience in a rugged, travel-ready form. The versatile air pump inflates tires, sports gear, and air mattresses up to 120 psi, while the Jump Starter revives 12 V-car batteries in seconds. No cables or second vehicle required. Step into a new age of intuitive robotics where human-like interaction meets intelligent design. This advanced personal companion isn't just a machine, it's an experience. Powered by ChatGPT integration, it engages in natural conversation, offering everything from thoughtful responses to jokes with timing and tone that mirror a human. Its biomimetic behavior system allows it to move with lifelike fluidity, reacting to voice, touch, and motion cues with striking realism. Unfold an immersive workspace wherever you roam with a 17.3-inch QHD 2560 by 1920 display engineered for serious clarity and color precision. The Asus ZenScreen Fold OLED is designed to eliminate compromise. Its innovative water drop hinge folds seamlessly, giving you a massive screen in a compact footprint. With display HDR 500 True Black and full 100% DCI-P 3-color coverage, every pixel brings rich contrast and lifelike tones, which is ideal for content creators, coders, and professionals demanding accuracy on the go. Hospitals and care institutions require precision tools that don't interrupt patient rest. That's where VitalThings Somnify steps in, a fully contactless monitoring system designed to safeguard patients and optimize health tracking while they sleep. From tracking light, deep, and REM sleep to monitoring air pressure, humidity, and respiratory rate, the system continuously compiles a holistic sleep profile. In the palm of your hand, the Novdic R150 transforms any flat surface or ceiling into a cinematic canvas. The built-in battery offers up to 4 hours of continuous film playback or 7 hours of uninterrupted music, making it ideal for long flights, impromptu backyard showings, or off-grid weekends. It delivers a true 100-inch display without needing a massive setup, offering immersive visuals even in small rooms or tight spaces. Worn like a badge, Lido transforms the way you connect. No bulk, no fuss. At just 0.55 inches thin, this ultra-light wearable walkie-talkie blends into your gear while delivering rugged performance. Its smart ring controller gives you full hands-free command, allowing you to talk, send voice messages, or drop pins with a simple gesture, leaving your hands open for climbing, biking, or field work. Power meets precision with the next evolution in workspace cleanliness. The Halo Modular Air Duster delivers professional-grade airflow at 90,000 RPM, easily dislodging dust from electronics, tools, and hard-to-reach corners without relying on disposable cans. Built for continuous performance, its unlimited runtime modular station ensures you're never caught mid-task without power. Just dock, swap, and keep going. Beneath a sky blanketed in darkness, clarity takes form through cutting-edge optics. The Yashica Vision isn't just a pair of night vision binoculars, it's a gateway to the unseen. Precision crafted to transform your night adventures, it delivers vivid 4K UHD full-color imagery, even when the light fades to near nothing. With a 3-level IR illuminator, it penetrates total blackness, revealing details up to 1,968 feet away. For those seeking a unique blend of comfort and functionality, the Lounge Workspace is the perfect office chair for home environments. Designed to support extended hours of work, this chair offers flexibility that traditional office chairs cannot. Whether you need to stay alert or take a break, the Lounge Workspace provides 2 adjustable recline options: semi-reclined and fully reclined. The semi-reclined position, which tilts the backrest to a comfortable 120 to 135 degrees, strikes the perfect balance for productivity. MeeGo Ascender charges forward where others stop, No threshold too high, no step too steep. Designed to climb stairs while cleaning with precision, this robotic vacuum breaks free from the limits of flat surfaces. With 9,700 pascals of suction power, it lifts embedded debris from carpets and hardwood alike. Built with a robust 17 Newton meters mopping pressure system, it scrubs hard when it matters, leaving floors not just wiped but polished. The fully enclosed all-in-one base station keeps everything hygienic and hands-free. Dust, water, and maintenance are automatically managed. The Lumex double-headed LED desk lamp offers a modern solution for any workspace or home that requires versatile, adjustable lighting. Featuring dual heads, this lamp provides wide, even light coverage, perfect for multitasking or setting the mood in any environment. The lamp allows users to easily adjust both the color temperature and brightness to suit different tasks or times of day. Equipped with energy-efficient LED technology, it delivers bright illumination while minimizing power consumption. In a compact body weighing just under 8 ounces, Seal Light stands as a masterclass in portable 3D scanning, bringing lab-grade performance into your hands. This scanner uses a specialized precision blue imaging system that emits light between 400 and 500 nanometers to achieve stunning 0.02 millimeter accuracy. That's 5 times more detail per unit, ideal for reverse engineering, small-scale prototyping, or digital preservation. The self-balance chair brings an innovative approach to improving posture and comfort for those who spend long hours seated. Designed to promote proper alignment, it naturally encourages a horseback riding posture that helps maintain balance and reduces strain on the body. Ideal for office workers, students, or anyone who sits for extended periods, the chair offers effortless support and relief. With its unique movement system, the chair mimics the motion of horseback riding, providing gentle back support and stretching the muscles. When your lifestyle demands mobility without compromising entertainment quality, the LG Standby ME Go delivers a premium cinematic experience packed inside a durable, modern briefcase-style design. Built for life on the move, this 27-inch touchscreen is fully enclosed in a rugged shell that opens to reveal a versatile smart display. With a built-in battery that lasts up to 3 hours, it frees you from outlets and messy cables, offering true wireless viewing wherever your day takes you. The Fifine Stream Controller D6 offers unparalleled versatility for streamers, packed with features that streamline live broadcasting. With 15 fully customizable macro keys, you can effortlessly assign commands to suit your specific streaming needs. Whether launching software, switching OBS scenes, or adjusting audio levels, all these tasks can be accomplished with a simple touch, allowing for smooth transitions and enhanced control. When the weather turns brutal and the terrain gets unforgiving, you don't adapt. You outmatch it. Built for those who move with intent, the Dark Heat 2.0 tactical heated outerwear is engineered with a purpose-driven philosophy. Every stitch counts. Every feature earns its place. Designed using 4-way stretch waterproof fabric and reinforced with a high neck collar, this all-season tactical jacket offers a blend of rugged performance and urban precision. The tailored fit ensures clean lines without sacrificing mobility, while the modular design integrates seamlessly with your lifestyle. The Daylux Seeker introduces a cutting-edge approach to ergonomic design, providing a seamless experience for those seeking comfort and efficiency. Its innovative vertical structure, inspired by Snail Bionics, positions your hand in a natural handshake posture, minimizing strain during prolonged use. The inclusion of a magnetic wrist rest further enhances comfort, allowing for extended hours of work without fatigue. What sets the Seeker apart is its OLED screen, a first in vertical mice, offering a quick glance at essential parameters like battery level, DPI settings, and connection mode. A modern solution for ambient lighting, the Hemela C05 redefines convenience and elegance in a compact form. This wireless wall sconce blends practical features with minimalist design to enhance any room without the hassle of cords or permanent wiring. Built with a 10,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery and certified for safety, it delivers reliable, long-lasting illumination, perfect for daily use without constant recharging. The MirrorCam web camera is a sleek and efficient camera designed to enhance your digital setup without unnecessary complications. Compact yet powerful, it offers full HD 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second, providing clear and crisp visuals with a flexible refresh rate of 50 Hz, which can be adjusted to 60 Hz if needed. This makes it suitable for video calls, streaming, or recording, ensuring you always look your best. The Klimas Telescopic Camping Lantern is a versatile and powerful outdoor lighting solution designed for campers, adventurers, and job site workers. With a robust, rechargeable 14,000 milliamp hour battery, this lantern offers a reliable and long-lasting light source for extended trips or power outages. Its LED functionality delivers a bright 6,000 lumens, ensuring ample visibility in the darkest of environments. This lantern's telescopic design allows for adjustable height, making it ideal for various lighting needs, from focused spotlights to ambient illumination. When seasonal shifts bring stifling heat or stagnant air, the TeloZet circulator rises to the occasion. Engineered with a jet engine-inspired design, this powerhouse circulator blends aerodynamic form with dual BLDC fans to deliver unmatched air propulsion. From bedrooms to living rooms, and even spacious garages, it throws out a concentrated airflow that travels up to 65 feet, effortlessly refreshing large areas with precision. The dual fan system doesn't just cool, it purifies. Radiating from your walls like geometric constellations, the CyroBricks Smart 3D customizable hexagon light panels reshape the visual energy of any space. This 16-piece plus set of modular interlocking light panels doesn't just glow, it responds. Each hexagonal tile emits vibrant RGB color with real-time music reactivity, transforming sound into color and motion with striking precision. Slide it into your jacket pocket and you'll forget it's even there, until it's time to read. Weighing only 5.5 ounces, the HAX Mini e-reader delivers serious performance in a minimalist design. Its compact 5.83-inch touchscreen brings crisp clarity to your fingertips, letting you immerse yourself in books, documents, and images with no distractions. This e-reader supports a wide range of file types: PDF, EPUB, TXT, and even JPEG, so whether you're reviewing a report or catching up on a novel, it's all in one place. Inspired by military radios and built with precision, the Trosk RetroTalk Power Bank blends iconic retro aesthetics with next-gen charging power. Don't be fooled by its vintage exterior. Inside, it's a beast. Packing a 20,000 milliamp hour capacity, this unit delivers up to 170 watts total output across 3 ports, supporting the latest PD 3.1 fast charging protocols. A keyboard shouldn't just be functional, it should elevate how you work and play. The Melgeek Modern 97 delivers precisely that, with a fusion of speed, customization, and style in one compact machine. Its sleek, see-through body and refined 97-key layout give you full functionality in a tight footprint, all while maintaining the vital arrow keys. A screw-free one-piece build keeps the frame solid yet elegant.